Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare SharePoint versus Excel. Let's dive into understanding their core functionalities and primary uses. Excel excels at individual data manipulation and complex calculations, offering robust analytical tools. SharePoint, on the other hand, provides a centralized hub for team collaboration, document sharing, and workflow automation. We'll explore how each platform addresses different business needs, helping you decide which tool is more suitable for your projects and organizational structure. Excel is a powerhouse for individual data management and analysis. Its robust formula engine allows for intricate calculations, from simple sums to advanced statistical models. You can quickly create dynamic charts, pivot tables, and dashboards to visualize data effectively. For tasks requiring deep numerical analysis, budgeting, or personal data tracking, Excel remains an industry standard, offering unparalleled flexibility and control over your datasets. SharePoint shines as a collaborative platform designed to enhance teamwork and information sharing across an organization. It provides a central repository for documents, ensuring everyone accesses the latest versions with robust version control. You can automate business processes through custom workflows, improving efficiency and reducing manual tasks. For managing projects, sharing knowledge, and fostering team communication, SharePoint offers a comprehensive and secure environment. Deciding between SharePoint and Excel depends on your primary objective. If your work involves intricate numerical analysis, personal data manipulation, or creating detailed financial models, Excel is likely your best bet. However, for team-based projects, secure document sharing, workflow automation, and centralized information management, SharePoint offers superior capabilities. Often, the most effective solution involves leveraging the strengths of both platforms in a complementary fashion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.